Hey everyone, I am going to answer this question for you. So, sorry. So it says, there's a hallway that has 20 lockers in it, numbered 1 through 20. They are closed while Mr. Addleton takes his class on a nature walk. When they returned, they went to burn off some energy and they made a plan. The person assigned locker 1 ran down the hall and opened every locker. Then the person assigned locker number 2 closed every door that's a multiple of 2. Starting with locker 2. The person assigned locker 3 changed the state of every locker that is a multiple of 3. So if it was open, he shut it, he or she. If it was closed, they opened it. Starting with locker 3. The person assigned locker 4 changed the state of every locker that is a multiple of 4, starting with 4. And this continues until all 20 students have passed all of the 20 lockers. Which lockers are still open after the 20th students pass through? So if it is got no color on it, that means it's open. So I'm going to go through and start with multiples of 2. So closed, 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 closed. And then 3 went by, and if it's a multiple of 3, it was changed the state. So this is open, now it's closed. This is closed, 6 is closed, so now it's open. 9 is open, now it's closed. 12 is closed, now it's open. 15, 18, and then 21 would be the next one. Okay, now we're gonna do 4. So 4 is open, so we're going to close it. 8 is closed. 12 is open. 16 is closed now. 20 is closed now. Now we're going to do 5. So 5 gets closed. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Let's see. 5 is closed. 10 is now open. Well, let me erase that. Hold on. There we go. 15 is open, but 20 is now closed. Now we're gonna go to 6. So I gotta go back to the yellow color. Actually, I might be able to pick. Nope. Wait. Yeah, I can't. Okay, let's do pink. All right, so 6 is closed. 12 is now open. And 18 is closed. Let's see. All right, 7 is closed. 14 is open.
No, I didn't move. You were the one that stepped on it.
And then we can't go further. 9 is now closed, but 18 is closed, or open again, sorry. 10 is now closed. 20 is now open. 11 is the only one of its. So now these ones are all just going to be closed because they're all going by. So the only ones that are open are 1, 4, 8, and 9. Have a good night.